There's a gutter system right here, but I need to go get a drill bit. I will be right back. Actually, I still got that screw in my pocket. No, I don't. I'll be right back. That works real well. Real well, real well. Use a little backwoods ingenuity here. See now, see how that is? That'll drain right down in there. On all those, see? Hopefully it'll work, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully it'll work. I need to pick up this other side there a little bit though. That consists of moving the ladder this way. Raising this side. Okay, there's that. So, there's that piece of gutter. Up. The other piece will slide in here and go down that way. Hopefully. Which means I need another piece of gutter. Y'all hold on one sec. I'll be right back. Excuse me. I think that is. All right. So, that end needs to be lifted up. How can I do that? Oh crap. Oh crap. Enough. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the gutter system that we got going on. Our downspout into our IBC container. It's not really raining right now. It will be later on today. And that's what we'll be doing, is watching for the rain to come down the gutter to fill up our IBC container. Don't mind the mess in the bottles and cans. Those will be cleaned up. It's part of the spring cleanup. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen, for our gutter installment. Of course, it's redneck style, but it's it is what it is. It does a trick. It works. And we don't really have any gutter hangers, so we wasn't able to do it that way. And we improvised and made do with what we had. Of course, that's the name of the game for at least us. Is improvise, make work what we can, and pray to God that it works. Last year, the same thing worked for us last year, so we're hoping and praying it'll work for this year. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Y'all have a good day, and God bless. Remember, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Share too. All right, thank you very much. Like I said, God bless. Be kind to people. There's too much hatred in the world today. Love yous. Thank you for subscribing. Have a good day. See ya.